Hey guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader, and in this week's weekly video report, I examined on the price charts a number of emerging themes in the marketplace. Starting off with the emerging strength of the New Zealand dollar, particularly against the Canadian dollar. So I do see, based on a number of long-term and short-term price patterns, that the price trajectory of New Zealand dollar versus Canadian dollar is going to head inexorably higher. Now, I also spent a long time examining the charts of the Japanese yen correlated trading pairs. Now, the long-term trend in these trading pairs has been lower, but I do see that the path of least resistance, at least in the short term, is somewhat higher. I directed our members to get long the euro yen last week, and going into next week, we see continuing strength in this pair. Albeit I think that this is going to be a short-term move. I'm only looking for a few hundred pips, and then I think that euro yen as well as these other yen pairs will revert in the direction of the long-term trend lower. So certainly we'll be keeping an eye out for that. But my primary focus was on gold. XAU-USD is the ticker for spot gold. I have been advising our members for a number of weeks now that there was an emerging reversal price pattern, a descending wedge price pattern on both the weekly and daily charts of XAU-USD, which was directing me to get short this market. I did get short around $1,875 about a week ago, and then gold promptly crashed about $100 in my favor. So I, along with our members, made a boatload of money shorting gold. Now, this was a counterintuitive move because during this time, the dollar has also been moving lower. So most participants would look to gold and the dollar to move in lockstep, and frankly, they have been departing, where the dollar's been going lower and gold has also been going lower. So this is why I only follow the price trends, the price action, the price patterns. I don't do any kind of correlation or macro thinking or economic thinking or fundamental thinking as to why something is going to go somewhere. I only look at the objective price action, and the objective price action for the last several weeks has been directing me to get short. And we picked up a boatload of pips last week on this move lower, and I still see that there's room to go on the downside in both gold and silver. So if you would like to understand how I capitalize on these monster moves using only price patterns and price action, then I highly suggest that you download and sign up to the weekly video report. Now, this is a no-brainer offer because the weekly video report is available for any price you want to pay. So you nominate the price you want to pay. You nominate exactly the value you expect to derive from this, and then click on the link below this video, sign up, and I look forward to seeing you on the next weekly video report. So with that said, I wish you guys a healthy and prosperous trading week, and I'll see you next time.